What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Soundcore Flare Plus portable Bluetooth speaker with IPX7 water resistance and more. I picked up at Walmart for $99. Today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impressions and do a little bit of a sound impressions of this portable Bluetooth speaker. Is it a worthy Bose Sound Revolve Bluetooth portable speaker alternative? Well, today we're going to find that out. The Bose SoundLink Revolve portable Bluetooth speaker has similar specifications, similar features, but it retails for $199. You can find it for as little as $159, but typically it retails for about $200. That's what it was at Walmart. So basically this one was $100 less. It looks virtually the same and has some really interesting features. It has a beat-driven LED light show, which the Bose SoundLink Revolve portable Bluetooth speaker does not have. It can charge phones and tablets. It comes with a custom app, which I have downloaded, so we'll check that out. It has bass up mode, wireless stereo pairing, up to 20-hour playtime, dynamic power management. Like I said, it is fully waterproof. It's IPX7 rated. And of course, it has this huge 360 sound. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. Let's bring in the handy dandy knife and slit open the top of the box there so that we can get into the box. We'll just go ahead and get rid of some of this paper here. And this top piece should just slide right on off like so. I'll go ahead and put that off to the side there. And this top piece should just come right off somehow. Let's go ahead and see if there's maybe a piece of tape or something. Okay, so it looks like there's actually a tab here that you want to pull out on. There we go. So this door opens up, and we can just sort of lay the package down on its back. Now what's really nice is at the top of the box we get what looks to be cables and user manuals. You can actually see right there that it just says cables and user manuals. So let's go ahead and see if we can get into this box. This one's pretty complicated. Oh, okay, here we go. So we'll lift off on that tab there. And as you can see, we get a quick start guide, which is really helpful. And if we just see what else comes in the box here, we can just dig around and see that it comes with a USB to micro USB charging cable. And if you guys just take a look on the inside of the box, you can tell that there's nothing left. Okay, now on to the really fun stuff here. Let's go ahead and pull our speaker out and lay her down. So far, this is a really nice weighted speaker. I have it in my hand, as you can see here. There's a little piece of tape on the back. We'll go ahead and we'll just rip that off so that we can slide the speaker right on out like so. And wow, this is a very impressive, very nice little speaker. So you get Soundcore on the front there, which I absolutely love. Just a beautiful heather gray sort of look to it. Not really anything spectacular going on here. It's very conservative, very laid back. Of course, that's all going to change when you turn it on for the first time. But nonetheless, if we actually take a look at the top of the speaker here, we can see that it looks like we get maybe a button for the light show. It looks like we get a bass button there. And we get play, pause, I'm sure, and minus and plus to turn the volume up and down. So this looks like a fairly simple to use speaker. It doesn't look ultra complicated. It looks like it should just work right off the bat. So what's really cool is you get this really nice handle on the back. So if you want to pick it up and carry it around, you can. And of course, what's really nice is on the back is, I don't have any fingernails, but, ooh, I just turned it on, and just pop off this back piece, you can see that it does have the USB charging cable so that you can charge the speaker up. And also, like I said earlier, you're able to charge phones and tablets with this. So if you have a USB cable to charge your phone, you can definitely plug it into the back of this device and charge your phone or tablet. So you guys came here for the sound impressions, I am sure, and as well as the unboxing and the first impressions. So let's go ahead and see what she sounds like. I'm gonna go ahead and actually pull up the Soundcore app so you guys can see what the pairing process is like. So as you can see, the first thing that comes up is Flare series, Party series, Wakey series, the Icon Plus series. These are all different speaker systems that Soundcore makes. Luckily for us, our Flare series speaker is right at the top, so we'll go ahead and we'll click that, and we will go ahead and connect. We'll follow the instructions here. So it's asking us to go to our Bluetooth settings, and it should just come right up at the bottom there, which it did. So Soundcore Flare Plus, we'll go ahead and connect that. And as you can see, we get a chime that lets us know that it's connected. And if we just scroll over to the Flare Plus, we can see that it's connected here. If we click on it, if we click info, we can either disconnect or forget this device. We're not going to be doing either of that. Now we're just going to go right back to the app. Since we've already connected it to Bluetooth, it should have no problem searching for our speaker and connecting it. Here is what the app looks like. That is the Flare Plus application. What's really nice is it looks like you get a play, pause, you get some equalizer settings. So if you want to control the mid-range, the treble, the bass, you can absolutely do that. You can even turn a bass mode on, which if we actually look at the speaker itself here, it does have the bass logo illuminated. So let's go ahead and see what she sounds like with the bass booster mode turned on. Okay, so right off the bat, the sound quality is fantastic. And what's really nice is you can actually go back and forth between these different sound profiles. So if I really want, I can go into the EQ settings here, and I can actually scroll back and forth between default, flat, chill, voice, and that's about it. Just those few presets. But what's really nice is it gives you that option. Another option that it gives you is to be able to turn the lights on. Let's go ahead and listen to it without the bass turned on, and then we'll go ahead and look at some of the light presets. One last time with bass turned on so you can get a really good idea. Okay, so right off the bat, I think it actually shouldn't really matter what you go with, whether you go with the bass booster turned on or turn it off. It sounds really good either way. I've actually listened to some speakers before where with the bass booster turned on, it sounds a little bit muffled maybe, or actually, and even in some cases, better with the bass booster turned on. This one can go either way, which is actually really interesting. The sound quality is pretty superb. Maybe it was just the music I was listening to, but this speaker sounds absolutely phenomenal going both ways. I really don't think that the Bose SoundLink Revolve portable Bluetooth speaker could be that much better, $100 worth better than this speaker. I'll have to wait to try out the Bose SoundLink Revolve speaker. Maybe I'll do that next week, or maybe sometime later this month. You guys let me know in the comment section below. For now, let's check out some of the light presets on this portable Bluetooth speaker. Now, in order to get the lights to work, you do have to play music. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play it at a really low volume and then take you through the light presets. So as you can see, right now we're in party mode, or no, we're in energy mode. I'm actually a little bit confused by the different lighting setups. Like I said, you get spring, chill, bedtime, party, energy. That's 5, a total of 5. I believe there are 6. Spring, bedtime, chill, energy, party. No, there are 5. But whenever I go in between the 2 or the 5, I don't really notice a whole difference. I think it's a little bit redundant. That being said, you do get the option to turn the light on or off, or to change it from pulsating or glow to chill, which I really like because not all the time do you want your lights on. This is a really phenomenal little speaker for parties or for sitting out by the pool. It's IPX7 water resistant. You can charge your phone with it. You can charge your tablet with it. It does have a bass boost feature. So if you're listening to a bass heavy genre, you can definitely activate it for a party or something of that nature. Or if you just want to lay back and relax and listen to something a little bit more mellow or conservative, you can turn that bass booster off and let it just play out the instruments or the treble. So say if you're listening to like a little bit of jazz or maybe a little bit of country or some Jimmy Buffett or something like that, this speaker is going to sound great in all different scenarios. And of course you can adjust the EQ levels, you can adjust the lighting. For 99 bucks, I'm not sure that you can beat a speaker like this. You've got play, pause, plus, minus on the top to control pretty much all of the basic functions of the speaker. Like I said, you can turn that light on or off, which is really nice. So via this hardware button on the front, you can turn the light on and off. A little bit interesting though, because you cannot turn the light off while music is playing. So that's a little bit interesting, but nonetheless, really nice speaker for 99 bucks. I am thoroughly impressed with everything about it, from the build quality to the way it sounds to the features that you get with it out of the box. Anyways, guys, this has been the Soundcore Flare Plus portable Bluetooth speaker I picked up at Walmart for $99. Because I picked it up at Walmart, that makes it a big box good. This is a pretty worthy alternative to the Bose Sound Revolve portable Bluetooth wireless speaker, I think. And I think if you pick this speaker up, you'll agree. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is John. If you're interested in seeing more videos like this, please hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.